YouTube, I just want to give an update on my 2012 Mazda 6 noise issue that I was having. This is my second time having them replace the exhaust donut. So let's start the car and see how it sounds like now. Here we go, let's start it up. Let me step outside for a second and see if I can hear that problem anymore. I'm putting the phone to the bottom of the car, near the front where the noise originated from. Seems like normal sounds. So I'm roughly at 28,000 miles. I don't know what to do if the problem arises again after my warranty expires at 30,000 miles. So hopefully this one will last long. So here's the sound coming from the muffler from the back. Sounds normal. Once again, from the underside, driver's side. Sounds normal also. So wish me luck, guys. Here is what the exhaust donut looks like. The Mazda technician explained to me the reason behind the rattling or that metal to metal contact noise that I hear was because the metal on this part clashes with the exhaust. That's why you hear that noise, the idling noise, typical of like older vehicles that you hear on the road. So they came out with a redesigned donut or gasket which has some type of sealant over it to prevent the metal to metal contacts. So hopefully that fixes the issue.